Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be answering the question, what is passive income? Now the basic definition of passive income is income that requires little to no effort to earn and maintain. This could include dividend stocks, investing in REITs, or other things like affiliate marketing. Now I'm going to get into all of these different types of passive income and how to get them started in a different video. But there are other kinds of passive income. These are semi-passive income sources, and these typically take a larger time investment or money investment up front, or even both. But normally, after the initial investment, you can earn income passively. These can include buying things like vending machines, by owning a laundromat, or putting your place up on Airbnb. So in my opinion, to fully get a grasp on what passive income is, you have to know what active income is. Which active income is income received from performing a service, like wages, salaries, commissions, anything that requires material participation in a business. For an example, if you have a job that pays $15 an hour and each week you work 40 hours, then every single week you would be bringing home $600 in active income since you are actually on site doing the work and earning your money. With that being said, the biggest difference between active income and passive income is the amount of time that you put into each one to get the amount of money that you're getting from your work. So with active income, you're limited to money-making potential by how much time you actually put into your job. But with passive income, you don't actually have to be directly involved, so the potential to make money is huge in comparison. Now, my favorite quote from Warren Buffett is, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, then you will work until you die." But with passive income, you can do just that. You can make money while you sleep. This is why earning a large amount of passive income, especially enough to live on, is what a lot of people strive to achieve. Because you could be at the beach, you could be at a mall shopping, you could be eating dinner with your family, all while earning income without actually doing work. That's just one of the many benefits that passive income has to offer, the freedom of time. Passive income also allows you to pursue what you would love to do. You could go on a vacation. You could travel the world. You can do really anything you want to do. And okay, so let's say you go on a vacation. You wouldn't really have to worry about setting a specific budget for that vacation because you'll still have that stream of income from all your passive income sources still earning you money while you're there. Another thing passive income is good for is you can invest it. If you're getting your passive income from investments, then the money you get, you can turn right back around and invest that again. So then the next time you get paid, you'll get even more money. And it'll just like this endless cycle that you can just get more and more money just from passive income. Another fantastic thing about passive income is that you can start it with little or even no money. Now, I'm not saying that this is the easiest way to go about it because if you're starting with little or no money, there will be a lot of initial hard work and investment of time up front to get it actually rolling and you starting to generate income. So things you could do to start generating passive income with little or even no money is you could start selling stock photos. You could write an ebook and publish it and start generating your money that way. Even if you're a college student, you could sell your notes and you could sell study guides to other students enrolled in the same courses online. So now that you have a better understanding of passive income and active income, you can start producing it yourself. So if you liked the video and thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And in the comment section below, list which method I stated earlier looks the most appealing to you. Also, be sure to subscribe if you would like to see weekly videos on finance. I hope you have a wonderful day.